Can AI turn the military against its own people? In 2025, soldiers marched through Washington, D.C. The president called it safety. Many residents called it an occupation. Now picture AI leading those same troops. A program decides which streets to patrol. Wait, it starts even earlier. Recruitment tools scan applications. The system leans on old information. It pushes non-white candidates into lower roles. Growth is blocked before the uniform is even worn. And inside the ranks, algorithms track discipline risk. The bias is clear. Black and brown soldiers face harsher penalties. Promotions pass them by.
Can AI danger spread overseas?
Yes, AI can scan millions of phone calls, messages, and GPS signals in real time. That means entire populations can be tracked, not just suspects. In war zones, this could flag innocent people as enemies, just because their phones pinged near the wrong tower.
Are AI-driven systems already shaping food access?
AI determines which areas are served and which are left out, what products are stocked, and what prices families pay. Studies show delivery services often prioritize wealthier zip codes. Many Black neighborhoods get slower service or none at all. Families with limited options end up paying more for the same groceries.
Is dynamic pricing punishing poorer neighborhoods?
Algorithms raise costs in low-income areas, while wealthier neighborhoods pay less. Researchers have found that families in food deserts can spend up to 30 to 60% more on basics than families in better-served areas. Inventory systems also lean on AI. Stores in Black communities often get fewer fresh fruits and vegetables. The algorithm predicts what sells, so processed and sugary foods stay on the shelves.
Are immigration systems now shaped by AI?
AI tools are used to screen visas, judge asylum claims, and decides who is a risk. People from countries in Africa, the Middle East, and Latin America are typically flagged at higher rates.
So AI bias in immigration doesn't just reflect old prejudice. It scales it to levels the world has never seen before.
That's a wrap, History Seekers. Catch the full story on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.